If your DTF prints look like this, all shiny and like plastic, but you want them to look like this, completely matte and also with super soft hand feel, well, you're gonna need one of these. Let me show you how it works. This texturizing fiberglass sheet is grooved in a way that pushes the ink onto the fabric of your garment. This will provide a better hand feel to your prints. The size of the sheet allows you to lock the edges with magnets, so you don't need to put it on and take it off after every print. And this will save you a lot of time. So let me demonstrate with a new DTF transfer. We're just going to press it for 15 seconds. Now notice that I am using the amazing DTF Power Instant Peel film, so you can peel it right away after pressing. And this film already has a matte finish and soft hand feel, but we're going to make it even better by doing a second press with the texturizing sheet, just for 5 seconds. And this will be enough to remove any leftover shine and give a nice texture finish, while increasing durability, stretchability and wash fastness. These texturizing sheets can be used way over 5,000 times, and we have 2 options depending on how much texture you want. Check them out on our website and get ready to amaze your clients with the best DTF prints in the world.